AI video tools are quickly becoming the standard for anyone who wants to take their content seriously. Whether you are running a business or just building a personal brand, you are going to wish you adopted these workflows sooner. I put this together to show you a simple, zero-fluff starting point instead of the usual chaos beginners face. By the end of this, you will know the basic building blocks of modern AI video creation. I will show you the exact tool I use to turn long videos into shareable clips instantly. And more importantly, you will learn how to turn one single recording into a full month of social posts. First, let's talk about the theory, because once you grasp the fundamentals, the technology becomes much less intimidating. There are really two main ways people are making AI-driven video content right now. The first approach is generating entirely new footage from scratch using text prompts. The second and more practical way is to start with what you already have and polish it to perfection. While generative AI is magical, it can be unpredictable when you need a very specific look or human detail. That is why repurposing long-form content is the secret weapon for most successful creators today. Instead of inventing everything, you start with a real interview, webinar, or vlog and let AI do the heavy lifting. This maintains the authentic human nuance and timing that your audience actually wants to see. Inside this repurposing workflow, different tools offer varying levels of control. The best platforms go beyond just chopping video. They help you pick highlights, label emotions, and optimize for specific platforms. The painful truth about building a content pipeline is that most people hop between 5 different apps to get one video done. You have one tool for captions, another for editing, and a third for scheduling, which slows everything down. That is why the fastest path to consistency is an all-in-one platform that handles every step. After testing almost every platform out there, I finally settled on Vizard because it nailed the creator experience. It does not try to be everything for everyone. It focuses on turning long-form content into high-performing clips. Let me walk you through a real flow so you can see how painless this process actually is. You start by uploading a long video, like a podcast or a tutorial, directly into the platform. The system immediately analyzes your video for high-energy peaks, topic changes, and audience engagement spikes. Within seconds, the AI surfaces the best potential clips, like viral hooks or key reveals, for you to review. The AI even suggests the perfect lengths and aspect ratios for platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The editor is fast and incredibly intuitive, letting you trim, swap thumbnails, or add captions with a single click. If you want to add extra flair, you can chain clips together or add background music to keep the rhythm snappy. Now, the real game changer here is the auto-scheduling feature, which handles your posting cadence for you. You set your frequency, and the platform automatically fills your feed with your best-performing clips. It even ensures you do not post the same content too often, keeping your audience engaged with variety. The integrated content calendar lets you see the big picture and drag-and-drop posts if your plans change. You can store all your captions and hashtags right in the calendar so you never have to retype them. Consider a day-in-the-life vlog where the tool automatically pulls 3 unique clips with perfect energy. Or imagine a long founder interview turned into 10 punchy sound bites that drive actual conversation. You get all the reach of a high-production team without ever hiring an editor or spending hours rendering. Does the output look fake? Absolutely not, because you are still using your authentic footage and your own voice. If you need to fix the audio, there are built-in enhancement tools to make your recording sound studio quality. You also get detailed analytics showing you exactly which clips are driving views and gaining followers. Consistency is what actually helps you win, not chasing every shiny new generative model that comes out. This workflow gives you less manual work and a more consistent publishing schedule. Stop bouncing between 10 different websites and paying for niche tools that do not talk to each other. Just upload one long video, let the system suggest your best clips, and watch your feed come to life. Real creators do not need to be editing experts. They just need a reliable pipeline that keeps moving. If you are ready to start creating smarter, give this workflow a try today. Upload one video, set it to schedule, and see how much time you get back in your week. I have put the link in the notes below, so go upload your video and I will see you on the calendar.